Introducing the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphones, the ultimate creative tool to elevate your content on the go. This lightweight and compact gimbal is designed to capture silky smooth shots with its 3-axis stabilization, ensuring steady footage even when you're on the move. Stay on point with ActiveTrack 6.0, as the upgraded tracking technology sticks to your energetic kids or playful pets like glue. You can even make it track yourself, becoming the star of your own film without needing anyone's help. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is so quick and easy to use. It powers on as soon as you unfold it, allowing you to catch that breathtaking sunset or your child's smile without missing a beat. Plus, it's lightweight, compact, and extendable with a built-in extension rod, giving you the flexibility to get creative angles or the perfect selfie. Even if you're a newbie, you can shoot like a pro with Osmo 6 shot guides. The intelligent gimbal recognizes your scene and suggests a shot sequence, making it easy to create stunning films, even if it's your first time. The side wheel gives you the power to achieve cinematic effects, allowing you to control focus and zoom. Nail that cinematic blur or try a Hitchcock zoom for some dramatic flair. Impress your friends with high-quality videos and up your video game. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is stain-resistant and coated in a non-slip texture, with an ergonomic grip that keeps it secure in your hands. It's compatible with most iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei series, but please check the compatibility list before purchasing. Capture heartwarming moments with your child using the new Parents and Kids mode, as the gimbal autonomously shoots and records, allowing parents to be present in the frame. This intelligent gimbal also comes with a new status display panel, allowing you to check battery life, system indicator status, and gimbal mode. Flip between horizontal and vertical shooting effortlessly with just a double click of the switch button. With the DJI Mimo app, you can add the final touches to your content and share it with the world. However, please note that auto pop-ups on the DJI Mimo app are only supported on iPhone and are subject to actual circumstances. Get the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphones and start creating smooth and professional-looking videos effortlessly. Elevate your content on the go and unleash your creativity like never before. Click the link in the description to get yours now.